What is up, guys? What is up, guys? If you guys are watching the replay, hashtag replay, yes, and drop some fire below because I'm about ready to blow your guys' mind with some insane value today, yes. Guys, let me ask you, are you guys trying to like find this ultimate traffic source? Like literally, imagine if there's a traffic source that you could just instantly call on demand. I'm gonna blow you guys' mind. Get ready. Guys, I'm pumped up. We're going to let some people join here live on Facebook. So if you guys are on Facebook with us live, hashtag live, baby. If you guys are watching the replay with this, hashtag replay because you guys are going to get some massive value. I'm literally going to be giving you guys, I have an amazing traffic source that I discovered. It is probably one of my favorite traffic sources to basically just instantly use to test out websites, to bring people to my opportunity, to bring people to everything that I have to offer, like my affiliate programs, anything that I want to promote. And so I have discovered this traffic. I'm going to be showing you guys, I'm going to be sharing with you guys this traffic source. And not only did I discover this traffic source, and I use it for myself personally, I discovered this traffic source and I am literally able to, I figured out a way to monetize it, right? And so I was like, man, this is legit. And so, guys, if you guys are watching live, what is up? I'm so pumped up. Welcome to be here, guys. This is going to be really cool. I'm just going to be probably here 15 minutes, most likely. I'm just going to be giving you guys absolutely amazing knowledge on this really cool traffic source. Some of you guys probably heard of this, but I know a lot of you guys are trying to, you're getting traffic or you're trying to find targeted traffic for the actual type of business that you're in. And so if you're in affiliate marketing or like MLM, a lot of the times, you can't just advertise on Facebook. You can't just kind of go after, they don't let you run those type of ads. So you have to really go, imagine if somebody had an email list, a giant list that was just for your type of business, your opportunities, right? And so essentially that's what I've done. I went after this traffic and I was like, how can I turn this traffic into cash? How can I monetize this one type of traffic? And so I've created a website that I'm going to be giving to you guys. So if you guys want that free website, I'm just letting you guys know, drop some fire below. And I'm going to, if you guys are watching this on Facebook, freaking awesome, drop fire below. And I'm going to send you guys this website before we get into it. I want you guys to have it. And if you guys are, I'm going to dive into it and I'm going to show you guys literally how I'm turning this traffic into basically affiliate commissions, people in my downline, people in my business, and then they're coming up my value ladder. So I'm going to show you guys how I can give this whole thing to you, and it's going to blow your mind. And so if you guys are watching this live, heck to the yes, drop some fire below. All right, guys, I'm going to share my screen, and here we go. If you guys could see my screen, give me a thumbs up. Boom! All right, so here we go. So here's the thing. I created a website. Well, first, I'm going to show you guys the traffic source, right? I want to literally show you guys what solo ads are, right? So this is the traffic source that you guys could go on here. And this whole entire, it's think about Amazon for traffic, right? So you guys could buy, traffic is visitors to your website, humans, right? People clicking on your thing and actually seeing it, right? So if you're trying on Facebook and you're trying to hit up all your friends and family, if you're trying all of these things, well, that's a traffic source, but it's not the most effective traffic source. And so these people have built up lists of just the right type of people that you're looking for, right? And you can see that a lot of these guys are MLM, BizOps, affiliate programs, ClickFunnels. That's the type of list that they've actually specialized in creating. And so I was like, wow, you guys have infinite traffic over here. And I have the ability to turn that traffic into cash over here. How do I do that, right? And so I went to the internet and I created a website. And so this is the traffic source. I'm going to teach you guys more about that later inside. And so now I'm going to go here. I created a website. If you guys go to onlinetrafficgods.com/free MLM, right? Like go to this website, and I created this just little, like it's a landing page, right? When you're buying traffic, one of the first things you want to do is you want to take them to a website, right? Like you actually want to take them somewhere that they're able to, like you're able to take them from somebody that's never talked to you before and turn them into a subscriber for your email list or for something that you own, so you can follow up with them and you could like bring them into your other products or sell them, right? And so literally I drive all my traffic to this one website. That's it. That's the secret sauce, guys. I take traffic that I don't own and I turn it into email list what I do own. And then they click the little join now, they submit, right? This is how simple it is. There's nothing else to do on that page besides click yes, like, right? And then you get the thing, you come here, right? This is the MLM funnel, right? This is the actual place. This is when we talk about that traffic. These are that type of traffic is really interested in like business opportunities. They're interested in those type of things, right? And like they're trying to figure out how to figure this internet thing out. So I created the perfect thing and it works, right? And so literally you come through here and these are the companies. This first one is the MLM company that I'm part of with. It's an amazing CBD company. And this is how I advertised my CBD, is because I could buy traffic from these people's lists and I could just drive it right to this website, which doesn't talk about the CBD product, but it still does. I hope you guys are getting this, right? And so here is that program, and this is an amazing company. It's a phenomenal brand, and I promote it outside of this too. But however, this is my favorite way because this brings in the right type of person I'm trying to grow on my list, the right type of business owner, the right type of motivated person, the right type of person that I like that is gonna succeed. I brought them in by giving them a free MLM funnel, which is literally a $3,000 product, right? And so they're coming in and joining my business, and they're internet marketers, right? And then they can click here and they can go join Hempworks, and they could get commission, right? When you use this free MLM funnel, these are the reason I have these companies, right? Inside this funnel, this basically says what you need. Like when you sign up for this website and you use this, and I'm giving you this, right? Here's the cool thing is I'm able to copy and paste this entire business and give it to you guys, right? So what you guys see is what you guys get. This whole website is what you guys literally get. What you see is what you get. That's kind of the cool thing is you guys are able to take this exact website that I'm going through. The traffic is over there. And you bring it to this and then you capture the traffic and you follow up with these companies, right? And this is the second company, which is the tool that you actually use. That what makes this is all possible. Like if I basically built a website, which is what you guys see inside this program, and I have the ability to copy and paste. This is one of the coolest things on the internet that exists, I promise you. Like nothing else exists like this on the internet. I could copy and paste my entire business and send it to you. And so I'm sending you guys this website. So when I just send it to you in a website link. It's that easy, right? And so I have my placeholders. You guys need to make sure you guys add yours and that you get those by clicking on each one of these links. And the third company is the traffic source, right? When I said all the traffic is over here, guys, this is where you get the traffic. Just go get the traffic from here, right? All you do is go from here and get the traffic, right? So that's what I'm telling you guys to do is go onto these and get the traffic from these guys. And this is how you monetize it, how you turn that traffic into money, right? How do you actually monetize that traffic? Because they're going to sign up for each one of these companies and you get a commission for each one of those, which is really awesome. All right, so you go in and you sign up for each one of these, and then you actually enter your user ID. I actually have mine because I went through these ones. And then I go to get your MLM funnel, right? This is actually to get this whole entire system, right? And now here's the next part. If you guys want to take this one step further, and you guys want to actually go and learn literally like how to use traffic on demand and how to like get to that next level and scale it, I have put together like a phenomenal training right here. So you guys could go get the training, or if not, you guys could literally go here and get the funnel and it just downloads into your account and you guys could have this entire 3-page thing, right? And so here's the cool thing is if you guys go here and you guys become one of my partners and you guys become part of the business owner, you guys could have the option to become affiliates for this program, and you guys get commission for anyone that buys this if they come in. Or 2, you guys actually can own this entire website, and you guys could switch it out for yourself. And you guys could connect your payment processor. So I have some options in that as you go in it. And you guys could sell this as your own, which is pretty awesome. So guys, go right now, drop some fire below if you guys want me to send you guys that entire funnel, the one that you guys went through. Literally, I could show you guys some back into the stats, which is really, really phenomenal, because I'm now able to show you guys like how many leads they're getting me, right? How many actually people it's getting me into my business. And so it's phenomenal. All right, so I'm gonna show you guys right here. Boom. So if you guys remember, this promotes 4 separate different businesses, right? So it monetizes this traffic source in 4 different ways, right? So when you have this system, you're just plugging this exact 3-step funnel into your ClickFunnels. All you're doing is downloading this, and now you guys have it in your guys's, right? So you guys can see right here, just in the last few days, I have 65 people to the website, and that's converting at a 75%. Right, literally this thing is kicking butt, right? Like that's for every 100 people, 75 people are raising their hand saying, I want it. Right, and so you guys are, and those guys are joining my downline, joining my other businesses, getting me, they're joining ClickFunnels, they're using every single one of those programs that I'm promoting inside there, because it all duplicates, right? Like they're actually going through and duplicating this entire system, and so it's kind of cool. Like this also helps you pay for your ClickFunnels account, right? Because if you have enough people using your guys' ClickFunnels, and you get commission for every single person that uses it, right? So after you get a certain amount of people to use ClickFunnels, well, heck, they're going to start paying you, right? So this is like my ClickFunnels account. That's just one program out of the 4 that I started using this with, right? And so guys, get the system plugged in. Drop some fire below if you guys want this. Literally, I'm going to send you guys that entire website so you guys can get plugged into the system. It's so dope. Or you guys can go to onlinetrafficgods.com, onlinetrafficgods.com/free MLM. And that's the way to get that free MLM system and that whole entire website, so you can actually plug in and do this, monetize this traffic source. It's going to give you everything that you need. And so if you guys have any questions, let me know. I love you guys. I will talk to you soon. Bye.